Chemistry YouTube channel. Students, we are discussing about the chemical reactions of alcohols and phenols. In our last video, we discussed chemical reactions of alcohols and phenols due to the breaking of oxygen-hydrogen bond of the OH group of alcohol and phenol. Now we are going to study here the chemical reactions of alcohols in which there is a breaking of bond takes place between the carbon atom and OH group. So such chemical reactions are known as chemical reactions of alcohols due to breaking of COH bond. So in this chemical reaction, the bond between carbon atom of alkyl group of alcohol and OH group, that is the functional group, is break. So in this chemical reaction, in other words, what happens? The replacement of OH group takes place by the different groups or atoms. Such chemical reactions of alcohols are also known as electrophilic substitution reactions. So let us start with the first chemical reaction involving the breaking of carbon and OH group bond, and this chemical reaction is reaction of alcohol with hydrogen halides. So what is hydrogen halides? Hydrogen halides are nothing but HX, where X is the halogen atom like chlorine, bromine and iodine. What happens when alcohols are reacted or boiled with hydrogen halide? Then the OH group of alcohol is replaced by halogen atom and we get alkyl halides. The chemical reaction takes place in a such way that OH group is removed by breaking of bond between the carbon atom of this alkyl group and OH group, and the place of this OH group is taken by the halogen atom from this alkyl halide and hydrogen halide, and then we get the compound that is known as the alkyl halide. Such chemical reaction is nothing but the nucleophilic substitution reaction of this alcohol. So in this chemical reaction, when you consider the order of reactivity of hydrogen halide, then as we know that hydrogen halide, hydrogen bromide and hydrogen chloride, among these three, the bond length of hydrogen atom and iodine atom in hydrogen iodide is larger. So it is a weak, and therefore the reactivity order of hydrogen halide with alcohol is HI, then HBr, and last one is a HCl. Again, when you consider the order of reactivity of alcohols, there are three types of alcohols: primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. So in tertiary alcohols, due to the bulky nature of the alkyl group which are attached to the tertiary carbon atom, they are very unstable one. So reactivity order of alcohols is tertiary alcohols, then secondary alcohols and then primary alcohols. So reaction of alcohols with hydrogen halide is quite difficult. To react hydrogen chloride with alcohol, we require the catalyst, and that catalyst is the anhydrous zinc chloride. So HCl react with alcohol, HCl react with alcohol only in presence of catalyst, that is anhydrous zinc chloride. As a reactivity order of this hydrogen iodide and hydrogen bromide is more than the hydrogen chloride, hence no catalyst is required in case of these two, that is hydrogen iodide and hydrogen bromide. So this is about the reactivity order of alkyl groups or alcohols and hydrogen halides with alcohols. So let us consider some examples of chemical reaction of alcohols with hydrogen halide, such as hydrogen chloride. In a general reaction, we see that when alcohols are reacted with hydrogen halide, then the OH group, that is the functional group of alcohol, is replaced by the halogen atom from the hydrogen halide, and we get the compound. They are known as alkyl halides. So when you consider here the first example, when ethyl alcohol is heated with mixture of hydrogen halide and zinc chloride, then the chemical reaction takes place in between the alcohol and this hydrogen chloride in such way that OH group of this ethyl alcohol is replaced by the chlorine, and we get the compound, that is ethyl chloride, by replacement of OH group by this chlorine atom. So here we get the product, that is the ethyl chloride. When you consider the second example, as we take here secondary alcohol such as isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol on reaction with hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Here also the chemical reaction takes place in such way that the OH group of this alcohol is replaced by this halogen atom, that is the chlorine atom, and we get the compound that is isopropyl chloride, that is the secondary alkyl chloride. And when tertiary butyl alcohol is reacted with hydrogen chloride, here also the OH group is replaced by this chlorine atom from this hydrogen chloride, and we get here tertiary butyl chloride. In all such chemical reactions here, the OH group is replaced by the nucleophile chlorine. So these chemical reactions are again known as nucleophilic substitution reactions of alcohols. This reaction is generally used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. When primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are reacted with hydrogen chloride, then there is a formation of precipitate of alkyl chloride takes place, and the time required for the formation of such precipitate is different. Here, when you consider the reactivity of this tertiary alcohol is much more as compared to secondary and primary alcohol. So tertiary butyl alcohol here reacts very fastly with hydrogen chloride, and it gives immediate precipitate of the tertiary butyl chloride. Formation of precipitate of such alkyl chloride with isopropyl alcohol and hydrogen chloride, with here we get the isopropyl chloride, and the time required for the formation of such precipitate is larger as compared to this tertiary butyl chloride. So here tertiary butyl chloride gives first the precipitate, then after some time we get the precipitate of the isopropyl chloride, and when the ethyl chloride is treated with hydrogen chloride, then we get precipitate of ethyl chloride after a long time, even on heating. So the reactivity of this ethyl alcohol is very less as compared to tertiary and secondary alcohol. So we get here precipitate lastly with the ethyl alcohol. Hence this reaction is used to distinguish between the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. The next chemical reactions involving the breaking of carbon and OH group bond are the reactions with phosphorus halides. There are two types of phosphorus halide, phosphorus trihalide and phosphorus pentahalide. First we consider reaction of alcohol with the phosphorus trihalide such as phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide. When alcohols are generally reacted with phosphorus trihalide, then we get here alkyl halides. So how the chemical reaction? First we consider here general reaction of alcohol with the phosphorus trichloride. Here we get 3 molecules of alkyl chloride plus H3PO3. Here alcohols on a reaction with phosphorus tribromide. Here also we get 3 molecules of alkyl bromide with H3PO3. And here also when alcohols are reacted with phosphorus triiodide, then we get 3 molecules of phosphorus triiodide with formation of byproduct, that is H3PO3. So in this way, in all chemical reaction, the OH group of alcohol is replaced by respectively by chlorine, bromine and iodine, and here we get the alkyl halides, respective alkyl halides. When you consider here example, when methyl alcohol, or we say it is a methanol, when this methanol is reacted with phosphorus trichloride, then we get 3 molecules of methyl chloride plus H3PO3. When 3 molecules of here ethyl alcohol or ethanol are reacted with phosphorus tribromide, then here we get the compound that is ethyl bromide. Here we get the compound ethyl bromide plus H3PO3, and here is the product methyl chloride. So when you consider first example in methanol, methanol is nothing but CH3OH. In methanol, what happens? OH group is replaced by the chlorine atoms and we get here methyl chloride. The remaining alkyl part remains as is in the product also. In ethyl alcohol, the OH group of alcohol is replaced by the bromine atom. So all these chemical reactions, that is reaction of alcohols with phosphorus trihalides, are also nucleophilic substitution reactions. The next chemical reaction involving of alcohol with phosphorus halide is reaction of alcohols with phosphorus pentahalide. There are three types of phosphorus pentahalide: phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus pentabromide, and phosphorus pentaiodide. But phosphorus pentabromide and phosphorus pentaiodide, they are very unstable. Hence, generally the chemical reaction of alcohol is taken with the phosphorus pentachloride. When alcohols are reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, then the OH group of alcohol is replaced by the chlorine atom and we get here the compound, that is alkyl chloride plus POCl3 plus HCl. So we get the product as alkyl chloride. So when you consider example of ethyl alcohol, when ethyl alcohol is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, then OH group of this ethyl alcohol is replaced by the chlorine atom and we get the product as CH3CH2Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. The name of compound is ethyl chloride. The name of compound is ethyl chloride. So in this chemical reaction, the OH group is replaced by the chlorine atom from this phosphorus pentachloride. In next example, when isopropyl alcohol is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, then here also the OH group of this isopropyl alcohol is replaced by the chlorine atom and we get the product as CH3CHCl CH3 plus POCl3 plus HCl. So name of compound is here isopropyl chloride. In this chemical reaction also OH group is replaced by the chlorine atom from this phosphorus pentachloride. So the isopropyl alcohol is replaced into the isopropyl chloride. Now in tertiary butyl alcohol also OH group is a functional group, and when tertiary butyl alcohol is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, then we get the product as tertiary butyl chloride plus POCl3 plus HCl. So we get the compound that is tertiary butyl chloride. So in this way, when alcohols are reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, then we get the alkyl chloride. So in today's video, we discussed two main reactions of alcohols in which there is a breaking of carbon and OH bond takes place. First chemical reaction is reaction of alcohol with hydrogen halide such as HCl, HBr and HI. The reaction of alcohol with hydrogen chloride is used to distinguish between the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. And in second type of chemical reaction, we discuss the chemical reaction of alcohol with phosphorus trihalide and phosphorus pentahalide. In general, when alcohols are reacted with phosphorus trihalide or phosphorus pentahalide, then they give corresponding alkyl chlorides. So this is about the first two chemical reactions of alcohols involving breaking of COH bond. Okay.